now this is a high weighted this exhaust fan. This is also for commercial use. We can these rotations we can convert into mechanical energy or electrical power, because we can give pulley rotation to dynamo, so that we can retrieve more of electrical energy by using this free rotations of this exhaust mini exhaust fan. So these rotations are persistent and very consistent and permanent. So by 45 degrees angle with minimal wind flow, these rotations are very speed, and we can retrieve mechanical energy, electrical power, and even we can use it for this crushing powdery to make these food industry to make powdery form. So this is the this is also a pulverizing machine. We can supply these machines also, because very safety, because at the time of operation everybody should use face shield, so that if there is any chance of hitting onto the brain, we can prevent any hitting onto the brain. This is a very so very 1.5 kgs of this high twisted exhaust fan wings will rotate this rotor very with so much of speed, and we can encash these rotations into mechanical and mechanical energy and even electrical power also. This is the beauty of these friction free rotations. So we are doing research and development. All the results are very very positive results we are obtaining with these rotations, because nowadays the wind flow will be in monsoons time. There is a lot of wind flow, because there will be depressions at Bay of Bengal or Arabian Sea, and at the time of unfavorable climatic conditions there will be so much of wind flow. But in normal conditions in winter and summer also, these propellers should use for mechanical and domestical and even commercial for retrieving power also. So these rotations we can next session we will convert these high weighted high revolutions of these highly twisted exhaust fan wings. We can rotate dynamo very easily, and we will get more of electrical energy, and we can use it for domestic residential purpose. So next research and development we are focusing on power generation for individual houses. So they will keep the equipment exteriorly, so that minimum wind flow, these high twisted wings will rotate the rotor, and it will spin the dynamo, and we will get electrical power and mechanical energy for pulverizing, for crushing, and to make powdery form of these cereals, rice, wheat, and all pulses and millets, and any hard consistency seeds we can convert into powdery form. So this is a very beautiful rotation, so that we will convert these rotations into mechanical energy, and even this retrieving this electrical power also. So this is the beauty of research and development by JRTV. So with minimal efforts, because we can spend 500 rupees, you can get a grinder with simple unused trash items with useful this thing. So we will convert these rotations into mechanical energy. So this is commercially it is very useful for making a powdery form of any article, powdery form of all food items in food and package industry. This is very useful for these rotations are very useful, and we can get the high refined powdery form, so that the food items will ingest, absorb, assimilate, and metabolism will be happened. So this propeller will use for high rotations for crushing these any vegetables within hygienic condition. We can have these materials like this. So ఈ హై ట్విస్టెడ్ మీకు ఎగ్జాస్ట్ ఫ్యాన్ మనం ఈ విధంగా మీకు సాఫ్ట్ బిగించి మీకు దీన్ని ఒక పెట్ బాటిల్లో హై థికెండ్ పెట్ బాటిల్లో కనుక మనం ఇన్కార్పొరేట్ చేస్తే దీని రొటేషన్స్ పెర్సిస్టెంట్గా మీకు విండ్ ఫ్లో ఉన్నంత వరకు మీకు రొటేషన్స్ చాలా ఫ్రీగా అవుతాయి. చాలామంది బేరింగ్ పెట్టచ్చు కదా అంటారు. బేరింగ్ కూడా పెట్టచ్చు, బట్ ఈ యూనిట్ మేము అవుట్ సైడ్ పెడతాం కాబట్టి, సో బేరింగ్లో మీకు ఎప్పుడు మీకు గ్రీజ్ లేదా ఆయిల్ మనం డ్రాప్స్ వేసుకుంటే, సో ఈ రొటేషన్స్ మనకి ఈజీగా మెకానికల్ ఎనర్జీ అండ్ రిట్రైవింగ్ హైడ్రో పవర్, నెక్స్ట్ ఈవెన్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఎనర్జీ కింద మనం ఈజీగా కన్వర్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఫ్రిక్షన్ ఫ్రీ రొటేషన్. సో this is Newton's third law is for every action there will be opposite equal force or reaction will be Newton's third law. But here if we apply minimal wind flow, if we apply this is a propeller technology, means winged fan will accelerate so much of power, 100 times and 200 times of power by applying minimal wind flow. If we apply minimal wind flow, the power will be incredible. This is the latest technology, and this is the latest theory of hybrid power. So for small rotations, for if you keep one charging fan, if we keep this exhaust fan wing opposite one charging fan, it will rotate 5 to 6 hours continuously, so that with the minimal rotations the output will be incredible and enormous. So means if the charging fan rotates 10 times, this winged fan or exhaust winged fan will rotate by 100 times and 200 times also. So this is the beauty of hybrid power generation by applying nature's natural minimal wind flow with maximum output of rotations, and these rotations will be converted into mechanical energy, and mechanical energy can be we can utilize in homemade pulverizing this thing for a juicy form or powdery form to make powdery form, or in food industry, and even in power generation for rotating this dynamo for power generation. Like that, multi-purpose we can use these rotations of exhaust fan. So this is the beauty of hybrid power, and theory will be with the minimal wind flow, the rotations will be incredible. With the minimal wind flow, the rotations will be enormous. With the minimal wind flow, the rotations will be sky is the limit. So this is the theory of high rotations with retrieving electrical power, mechanical power, or pulverizing machinery, or this seed oil extraction from different seeds, castor seeds, groundnut, and kusuma, and this cotton seeds, and coconut oil extraction, and different medicinal oils, and this medicinal oils and herbal oils also we can extract by keeping in pulverizing machine. So this is the beauty of inventions from JRTV. So in the next session we will directly demonstrate how to extract vegetable oils and organic oils, and even medicinal the extraction of pulpals from medicinal plants also. This is the in next session we will discuss about this oil extractions and juice extractions and pulverizing technology and electricity power generation, like this.